hurry, and honestly I would recommend this, head over to crimefinc.com, which is crime, THINC.com. They're fairly effectively shadow banned on a lot of social media platforms, or regular banned on a lot of social media platforms, because the crackdown on free speech has been happening for a while, because when we empowered various platforms to determine what kind of speech to allow, it ends up backfiring and hurting leftists. Anyway, whatever. You can head over to crimefinc.com to read what they have to say. But for now, ads! I bet you knew ads were coming. Here they are. Da-da-da-da-da.
What the fuck are you doing, lady?
And we're back. Okay, this piece I posted last week on my Substack. It's called I Can't Tell You What's Coming. My dog knows there's something wrong, and he's anxious. He hasn't mastered the art of doom scrolling, and I don't think he takes much in from the news podcasts we listen to. But he can tell that I'm worried, which makes him worried, which
Dude. Hey! Yo. Wait, what? He crashed? No! Oh, his bumper came out. Oh, damn. Right? Yeah, he's good. Damn. Oh. It's not bad. Yeah. Holy.
You know, when I said that earlier, I didn't want to...
That's crazy. Damn.
Tym busem! Kurwa! Się pojebało! Się kurwa wystraszyłem! Kurwa mać! Ty kurwo jebana ty! Ja pierdolę! Ja jebie! On tam żyje, kurwa nie żyje? Coś ty zrobił! Kurwa, zobacz co zrobiłeś! Kurwa mać!
Ay, magpas pa siya sa poste.
Hindi.
Hindi magpas.
Mabagal yung takbo.
Ayan, ang truck na.
Hindi mabilis, mabagal.